So for this problem, what we're going to go ahead and use is this formula to find the velocity. So it's velocity squared equals velocity initial squared plus 2 times the acceleration times the displacement. So what we first have to do as well is convert 203 kilograms per hour to meters per second, because that's the preferred method. So after using the units of conversion, we get 56.4 meters per second. So then we have 56.4 meters per second squared equals the velocity initial is going to be 0 because that's how much it has when it takes off, plus 2 times the acceleration is what we're trying to find, and the displacement of x is 2,000 minus 0, which remains at 2,000. So now what we're going to do is simplify it. So we go ahead and multiply these two numbers, then divide by 4,000, which is what their product is, and then divide this by 4,000. So we're left with A equals 56.4 meters per second squared over 4,000, and we have to find the square root of that. So, sorry, we don't have to find the square root. We're just going to use A. Once we simplify that, A equals 0.79 meters per second squared, because the meters here cancel out, and we're left with 1 meter per second squared, and that's our answer.